me, Jade. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, we're gonna be doing another luxury unboxing. I'm so excited because I have a brand new baby that I'm adding to my collection. But before we jump on into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Yeah, let's jump on into today's video. I teased my followers on Instagram a bit about the bag. So this was actually a Christmas gift and it's now, what's today? Today's January 15th, okay? So I've literally been waiting to finally show the world my new baby. So this is what it looks like. I didn't realize how big this was and how much space I actually needed to fit. It's just so surreal knowing that I'm actually holding this right now, like that this is actually mine. It's taken me 2 weeks to process. But yeah, it's mine and I'm so excited to show you guys. Here's a ginormous box with the super cute Louis Vuitton branded ribbon. I mean, look how cute it is. I'm just going to, oh my God, that was a bad decision. I'm definitely gonna keep the ribbon. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I just feel like it's too iconic to just throw it away. You know what I mean? I'm so sorry in advance about how awkward this unboxing is gonna be. So I'm just gonna try to like pull this up. So it has a little magnetized flap to open her up. And are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Cue music. Inside you can find the dust bag. So I'm gonna pull this out. Guys, I'm so excited. As you can see here, I ended up getting the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. This is the MM size, so there are 3 sizes. There's a small, this is the medium, and then there's a larger one. I got the original monogram, and this is the cherry red interior. It's like a good like red interior, just like pop. I'm actually obsessed with it. I'm just gonna like hold this here while I do this. So just some details and like information in case you guys are shopping around and wanting to pick this up. So length is 12.6 inches, the height is 11.4, and the width is 6.7 inches. It does have the natural leather trim, and the trim will darken over time naturally just with use and exposure to the sun. It's just more like a darker like brownie beige. When you open her up, as you can see, there is a clasp here that keeps it closed. So I'm just going to undo it for you. So you open her up and this is what it looks like on the inside. It actually comes with a secondary item. So it's like a little bonus. Again, the monogram color with the red accent. What I think is also so cute, it also has the LV on it, which I think is such, I'm just all about the details. I just think it's stunning. So it does come with the strap, which you attach on here. So it does end up becoming a little wristlet moment, which I think is so cute. And again, just super versatile that way. You open her up and there is also an additional pocket. So it is pretty big and I do love this idea. So if I don't want to bring a giant bag, I can just throw my phone in here, some keys, a little card holder, and I can just be out and about. Definitely going to be getting a lot of use out of this. For the bag itself, this is what it looks like. It is gorgeous. There is a pocket right in here, you know, put some things in there, and then it's just one big bag. You can get the organizers to put in it. I haven't really looked at them myself yet, but I know it's an option, so that way you can kind of organize your belongings so they're not just like rolling around in here. So I might get one of those. If you lift up this back part, the pocket, tucked away in the corner, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys. In here, there's like a little tag really tucked in behind there. That little thing I just showed you, that is going to be your date code. So this tells you where it was made and when it was made. So funny story about this bag. If you guys saw my last luxury unboxing, which was of my Prada re-edition 2005, which by the way, if you haven't seen it, I'll definitely link it. I recommend you guys checking that one out. So when I got that bag last summer, we actually went to the mall with the intention of getting this guy. We had an appointment at Louis Vuitton, and while we were waiting, we're like, you know what, we have some time to kill, let's just go to Prada. I went into Prada, saw the Prada re-edition, and I honestly fell in love. And so we ended up going home with that one. But Andre and I actually went to Louis Vuitton. We tried this one on. We spoke to the sales associate. I didn't really know what these strings were for. No one really talks about them. So when I went and I spoke to the sales associate, Andre actually asked like what these are for. And she showed me that you can change the shaping of this bag, which I thought was such a cool idea. So I want to show you guys. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the outside. You're actually going to pinch it inwards, kind of like this. And then you're going to cinch the sides in. And then you're gonna do that with both sides. Once you cinch the sides, and this is what it looks like, and this is honestly, when she showed me how to do this with the bag, this is when I fell in love with it. I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get my hands on this. Love the fact that you can get so many different looks with it, especially for day to day. If you're not bringing like a laptop, by cinching it in, it's just a little bit more form-fitting, and I feel like it's not too oversized. I mean, I know we're not traveling right now because of COVID, but like thinking long term, this would be like the perfect carry-on bag. Literally fit everything in here. It's amazing as an overnight bag. You can definitely fit a change of clothes, some toiletries, and also this was actually to replace, I had a larger tote like this and the strap broke, and I used to use that a lot for work. So this is actually meant to replace it. So I'll be using this as like my future work bag. And even thinking like long term, I've seen people use this as diaper bags. This is definitely one of those bags that you can always use which is why one of the reasons why I was like, you know what, this is the next bag on my list, and I'm so happy that I got my hands on this. So thank you, Andre, for spoiling me and giving me this gorgeous bag that I cannot wait to use. So if you guys don't follow my Instagram, I would definitely recommend following me to kind of see how I style it and see some photos. I am in love. In love with this bag. Okay guys, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I love doing unboxings and hauls. I love watching them and I also love filming them. I just think it's so much fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully I was able to answer some of your questions. If you are thinking about getting this bag and shopping around, I love it and I think it's such a staple to have, so I would definitely say go for it. Now if you have any other questions that I wasn't able to answer in the video, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.